Hello students, in the previous video we have learned different types of angles. We have also learned some geometrical instruments which are in our compass box like compass, scale or ruler, protractor, set squares and the divider. Today we are going to learn what is an angle bisector. Let's learn what is an angle bisector with the activity. Now take a sheet of tracing paper, but I have taken a simple paper. Draw an angle of any measure on it and now fold the paper. This is the paper. Now fold the paper so that the arms of the angle fall on each other. Look, like this. For example, this is first arm of the angle and this is the second arm. So I am going to fold the paper. I am going to fold this paper so that the two arms of the angle fall on each other. Now what does this fold do? Observe this fold. Look, this fold divides this angle into two equal parts. This fold divides this angle into two equal parts. So this fold is called the bisector of the angle. Students, this fold is the bisector of the angle. So this bisector divides this angle into two equal parts. Now take 2 points AB. First point A on the first arm and point B on this second arm. But remember, these points should be at equal distances from the vertex. Look, here the measurement is 5.5 centimeter and again the measurement is 5.5 centimeter. Now take points C, P, T on the bisector of the angle. Look, like this. This is the bisector and I am going to take 3 points C, P and T. For example, this is C. This is point A and this is point B. This point is C, this point is P and this point is T. Okay. Now these 3 points are on the bisector. Now we are going to do that. We are going to measure the distance of each point from points A and B. For example, the distance between, if we start from C, then the distance between CA, from C to A point is 2.5 and the distance from C to B is again 2.5. So point C is at equal distance from point A and point C is again equal distance from point B. Now look, point P. If we measure from P to B, it is of 3 centimeter, and if we measure from P to A, it is again of 3 centimeter. So what we learn from this? The points on the bisector are equidistant from the points A and B. This is an angle bisector. For example, if we measure this angle with a protractor, look, I am measuring this angle. It is of 50 degree. The angle is of 50 degree. Okay, and this angle is divided into two equal parts. So we are again measuring the angle. Look, this angle, it is of 25 degree and this angle is of 25 degree. So this angle of 50 degree is divided into two equal parts. That is, this angle is 25 degree and this angle is again 25 degree. So this is the angle bisector. we are going to see how to use the geometrical instruments to construct geometrical figures. So first we are going to learn to draw an angle bisector using a compass. I have drawn this angle of any measure. Now place the point of a compass. This is the point of the compass. So place this point of a compass on point B. And with any convenient distance, the distance between these 2 points, any distance, we are going to draw an arc which cut this ray BA and ray BC. So this is the arc. And these are the points of intersection, point P and point Q. Now, place the point of the compass at point P, taking any distance between these 2 points. Again, we are going to draw an arc which is inside this angle. Again, keeping the same distance, we are going to draw another arc inside the angle but from point Q. And this arc is going to cut this previous arc. Look, the arc which we have drawn from point Q is going to cut this previous arc. Now, name the point of intersection as point O. So, this is the point O. Now, draw ray BO. This is ray BO. So, ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. बघा मुलांनो, आपण कंपासच्या साहाय्याने या ठिकाणी अँगल ABC चा अँगल बायसेक्टर म्हणजे ज्याला आपण मराठीत कोन दुभाजक असे म्हणतो हे काढलेलं आहे. यानंतर आता आपण आपल्या प्रोट्रॅक्टरच्या साहाय्याने खात्री करून घेऊया की हा खरंच अँगल बायसेक्टर आहे की नाही ते. सो फर्स्ट पुट द प्रोट्रॅक्टर ऑन पॉइंट B and measure angle ABC. It is of 50 degree. It is of 50 degree. And the angle bisector which I have drawn, now I am going to measure this angle OBQ. Again putting the protractor and point B. This is 25 degree. And again from this is the angle. So I am putting the protractor on point B and it is of again from point B and it is again of 25 degree. So the measure of angle ABO is measure of angle ABO is equal to 25 degree and measure of angle OBC is equal to 25 degree and the measure of angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. That means this bisector ray BO, this bisector divides this angle. Thus we have learned how to draw an angle bisector using this compass. Now look at this given angle. This is angle ABC and we are going to draw angle PQR equal in measure to this angle ABC. म्हणजेच angle ABC प्रमाणेच याच मापाचा आपण दुसरा एक अँगल PQR काढणार आहोत बट विदाउट प्रोट्रॅक्टर म्हणजे प्रोट्रॅक्टरच्या शिवाय. सो फॉर दिस फर्स्ट आय एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ a line or a ray. It's a ray, not a line. So this is ray, this point is Q, and this point is R. Name Q and R. So this is a ray. So first we are going to draw ray QR. Now place the point of this point of the compass. Now place the point of this compass at vertex B. बघा मुलांनो, आपल्याला ह्या मापाचाच इथे काढायचा आहे. So first what we are going to do, place the point of this compass at point B, and at a suitable distance we are going to draw an arc which cut these arms or these rays AB and ray BC. बघा मुलांनो, आपण या ठिकाणी कंपासच्या साहाय्याने रे AB आणि रे BC या दोन्ही रेला कट होईल असा एक आर्क या ठिकाणी काढलेला आहे. आणि आपण ह्या पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शनला नाव देणार आहोत. दिस इज पॉइंट D and this is point E. Now again keeping the same distance, बघा आपण हा जो आर काढलेला आहे, हा आर काढताना आपण जे अंतर या दोन्हीमध्ये ठेवलेलं होतं तेच अंतर आपण सेम ठेवणार आहोत. अँड लेट द पॉइंट ऑफ द कंपास ॲट पॉइंट Q अँड ड्रॉ अन आर्क विच कट द रे QR. अंतर समान ठेवून रे QR ला कट होईल अशा ठिकाणी आपण इथे एक आर्क काढलेला आहे. आता आपण पुन्हा एकदा द पॉइंट ऑफ कंपास E या ठिकाणी ठेवणार आहोत आणि E पासून ते D पर्यंतचं अंतर आपल्याला मोजायचं आहे. बघा मुलांनो, E पासून ते D पर्यंतचं अंतर आपल्याला कंपासच्या साहाय्याने मोजायचं आहे. जर ते कमी असेल तर आपण ते ॲडजस्ट करणार आहोत. म्हणजे कमी आहे म्हणून ते दोन्हीमधलं अंतर आपण वाढवणार आहोत. खूपही वाढवायचं नाही आहे. आपल्याला पॉईंट E आणि पॉईंट D एवढंच अंतर ह्या कंपासमध्ये मोजायचं आहे. त्यासाठी आपल्याला कर्कटर ॲडजस्ट करावा लागतो. पहा मुलांनो, या ठिकाणी आपल्याला अशा प्रकारे ॲडजस्ट करावा लागतो. सो कीपिंग द सेम डिस्टन्स, हे जे अंतर आहे त्याचप्रमाणे आपण हा जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आहे याला आपण एक नाव देऊया. सो दिस इज पॉइंट T. आणि या ठिकाणी ते अंतर ठेवून आपण एक दुसरा आर्क या आधीच्या आर्कला कट होईल अशा प्रकारे काढूया. सो पुटिंग द पॉइंट हिअर ऑन पॉइंट T, I am going to draw this arc which cut the previous arc. Look, this is the point of intersection. So let this point be S. This is point S. Now draw ray QS. We are joining these 2 points. That means we are going to draw ray QS. Ray QS. This is the point of intersection. It is ray QS. But we are taking another point P on this ray QS. So this is point P. Now we are going to verify these angles. The measure of these angles. Angle ABC. Angle ABC is of 60 degree. And angle this PQR is of 60 degree. Look, this is ray PQR. It is of 60 degree. So that means measure angle ABC is of 60 degree, and we have drawn angle PQR of measure 60 degree. So thus we have learned to construct an angle. In measure to this given angle using a compass and a ruler. Using this compass and a ruler. I think you have understood this. So students, in this video we have learned the meaning of an angle bisector, how to draw an angle bisector using a compass, and to construct an angle equal in measure to a given angle using a compass and a ruler. Thank you.